The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.